All right, everybody, how are you guys? How are you? Should have the chat here. Yeah. Good morning, Tim. Good morning. Good morning, pure ministry of Jesus Christ. Yorkshire in the fucking house. And London in the house. How are you guys? Botswana in the house. Here in. All right, guys. I'm just finishing up. Um, Let me see. Yep, I'm just finishing up something to eat, and I'll turn on my camera in a few. Suriname and Botswana in the house. Indonesia in the house. What about you, man? You all good? Yeah, I'm fine. Yesterday I was feeling really under the weather. That's why I cut goals, my gold longs early. Really missed on some profits there, right? Um, yeah, really missed on what? 200, 200 pips, but it is what it is. Greece in the house. All right, so I am hunting this gold short. Mm-hmm. Hello? Yeah, that's right. I'm hunting this update on funded account. Here it is. I am up almost 5% on my funded account. Um, this is this is my equity graph, my equity chart on this account. Like I told you, I am trading this account like a trade, like I normally trade. I have absolutely no rush to get funded. You know, um, my focus is risk and optimal trading, but as you can see, this is amazing. Portugal in the house. This is amazing. So today I took some shorts here on the pound yen. Took 1 hour and then got stopped out of break even before this massive breakout, right? Which is fine. I am looking at possible Kiwi shorts. Just have a look at this. I was looking at Kiwi shorts here, right? I missed my entry. I wasn't in front of my screens, but that's fine. Not in love with this market at all, actually. South Africa in the house. So, yeah. The market that I'm really, really looking forward to is gold. And let me show you my thought process on this. I've been waiting for this exact setup, for price to fill me in, you know, for, for, since, I don't remember, for a few hours or so, no rush here either. What I'm doing here, what I'm waiting for here is this. After yesterday's rally, I know that it sounds a little bit counterintuitive to short this market with yesterday's super massive rally, right? But Namibia in the house. But what I'm looking at here is a complete, at least on the short term, right? A change in the character of this market from bullish to bearish. Stay hydrated. So, what I am looking at here, guys, just all of the sales buy side liquidity, right? I mean, I do want to get triggered on this, right? On this short. That's why my stop losses are quite wide. Also, because of how volatile this market is, my stop losses are quite a few pips above the structure high, right? So I'm waiting for price to take out all of these weak players, these stop losses, right? These buy side liquidity, get and feel that inefficiency in the market that I'm looking to trade, and then get triggered, right? Short in gold. And this is a short term, this is a day trade, right? In gold. I do have a swing trade for the swing trading group on in gold too. I made sell order on gold a few hours ago. Me too. I mean, here it is. I'm just waiting. I am just waiting. And here's silver. I took a short in silver. For about 1%. But have a look at this. I mean, have a look at this. I was looking at silver shorts too, but the setup is not quite good. Um, the setup in the setup in gold is much better. So let's wait and see what happens, right? Um, you know what? It's super cold here. I am going to go. I'm gonna go get a hoodie. I'm gonna put on a hoodie. I'll be right back, guys. Um, and we are. Let me see. A few pips, right? 39 pips from getting triggered in this gold short. This is my trade of the day for the day. I mean, yes, there's a VIP group for swing trades. I'll show you. Here it is. Hold on. Here's the VIP group for swing trades. We are still holding a pound US dollar long. Um, Let me show you. I don't have an MT4 in this computer. This is a new computer, so I don't have an MT4. But I'll show you here on the MetaTrader, GBP USD. So basically, we have been holding this long on the pound US dollar since November. We bought that market here. We are up 1,200 pips, and we held on through all of this chop mess, right? And the reason was, I mean, the reason was because, if you remember, that prime minister that lasted like a month in the UK crashed the pound almost to parity, right? And the pound had absolutely no reason to be this low. But I wasn't going to place a buy, without an optimal setup. So I waited for, the structure to turn bullish, and my longs were around here, I reckon. So 1,200 pips, 1,200 pips in that particular trade. I can find how to register for it. I'll show you. Hold on. Just go here. Just go here. It's the same signal. Same signal. Same link. And you will have it on the left side. So here. Right. So here it is, separate swing trading group. It's 50 pounds. Money is made by swing. When you're swing trading, money is made by holding trades, not trading a lot. All right, so let's wait for this goal to get triggered, and let's look for some other setups that I have running at the moment. Now the pound yen, massive, massive breakout, right? So my idea was to take these shorts, right? After yesterday's New York session highs, um, you know, um, got broken with. And if you notice here, this was just a fake out. So this is when I decided to go short. I took one R, right? And because it was a really aggressive short, my risk was I think was 0.17%. But I took one R and then got stopped out of break even on the rest. Now, longs are, you are welcome, Richard. Longs are in play, but where are we going to take those longs? That is the question, right? No worries, we'll find an entry. Also, have a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, massive breakout, right? Oopsie, a massive breakout on the Nasdaq. So I am going to look for longs for the U.S. Open, and I am going to share the setup here with you guys. So don't go anywhere. I'm just gonna go get a hoodie. Massive break because it's really cold here. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I made buy order on Euro GBP. Good luck. I'm back. Ooh, ooh. All right, I'm back, guys. Belgium in the house. All right, let's turn on the camera. All right, so let's have a look at gold. Um, Gold's about to break with this high. That's awesome. Uh, all right, guys. Gold is a still trading within the range, right? Now, this is the thing. This is a cool setup because my entry is right above the Asian session highs, which is what I'm looking to trade, right? I'm looking to trade that fakie above the Asian session highs. There we go. So let's wait and see. Will you play straight live and can we copy? Um, I do have a pending order in gold. This is my pending order in gold, short gold made. I mean, it's up to you if you want to follow. The only thing I do here is I show you my trades, right? It's up to you if you want to follow them. But this is how I trade. This is how this is exactly how I do things. So just have a look at my equity curve and then decide if you wanna follow or not. All right, so gold about to get triggered. We are what 23 pips away from getting triggered. Tu parles français, Brandon? Euh, Parce que, si tu parles pas anglais, tu peux poser des questions en français. Moi, je te réponds en français, mec. Yeah. All right. So let's wait for this, particular trade to get triggered, and let's have a look at that Nasdaq, right? So where can we find? There's a ton, a ton, a ton, a ton. There was a ton of volatility in this move, right? So there's a ton of inefficiencies in the market left on field. Just have a look at this one right here, first one, um, then here. But let's analyze the market, right? Let's analyze the market structure first. And let's try to find the correct entry for this NASDAQ long. So I'm looking at this. Let's go to the 5 minute chart, right? Now, there's a couple of things that I'm looking here. And, if I were eager to get long, I would look into getting here at this imbalance, right, with stop losses below the structured low. But and let me see how much is this. Yeah, yeah, it's not that much, right? Absolutely good entry, but but the real structured low is here. I am from the Flemish part of Belgium and was living at the classes of France. I don't know what I don't know what Flemish means, but apparently you don't speak French. So, you know, um, here's the thing, right? All right, here's the thing. What was I saying? Right, the real structured low in this market is here, and here there's a ton of inefficiencies in the market left on field, right? So taking an entry here would it is a good setup and everything, but this is just also liquidity. Should price, crashed towards this, I don't know if these lows are going to hold, and the true entry would be here. Also, having said that, hold on, let me hear 1 2 1 2. Yeah, I don't know. Hold on, let me hear 1 2 1 2. I mean, we're going to have to, you know, to work it like this because I haven't set up. I don't know what happened. Hello? Can you guys hear me? I don't know what happened. Yeah, I think so. All right, I'm back. Uh, yeah, I think this is going to take some time to get filled. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. Yeah, I got disconnected. I don't know why. One, two. think I'm back. Yeah. Can you guys hear me? I think I'm back. I think I'm back. Damn it. Can you guys hear me? I think I'm back. I think I'm back. Yeah, I think I'm back. I think I'm back. I think I'm back. All right. Good. So, yeah. I will be. Yeah, it's I just downloaded and I'm setting up everything on this computer, and I think that I fucked up something on the OBS. The OBS is the app, not the app, but the tool that I use to stream. But yeah, I don't think that. Hi Orlando, I would like to ask you why place the entry below the first imbalance area in gold? Good question. Let's go there. Uh, yeah. So here's the thing, right? The true imbalance that I'm looking at is this one right here. Now, this imbalance is no longer, it has been mitigated here. So I'm not going to trade it because this is liquidity that has been built up. And here again, mitigated imbalance. So the true imbalance that is left to be filled is this one right here, which is the one that I'm looking to trade. Fiji in the house. Yeah, also because I want to get filled on my gold shorts. What the hell? All right, so that's the main reason, guys. Um, yeah, U.S. equities are, skyrocketing. Have you changed stop loss on gold shorts? Nope, I haven't. Here it is, 1991.50 still. So the S&P 500 also same thing, but the S&P 500 is actually has a clear setup in the sense that I would in fact look for longs around here, around the breaker, um, most definitely. But because of how strong this move has been, I don't know if we're going to get that dip, right? On U.S. equities. Now, I was looking for shorts on the FTSE, but as you already know, um, I only trade the FTSE on the first 30 minutes of the London sessions. Then if I can't find an entry, or if I don't get filled on my pending orders, on my limit orders, I just delete them because afterwards it gets super sketchy like this. Right. Now, here's, all right, let's go back to the Kiwi because this is the one that I was looking at for possible shorts. Now, let's have a look at what's going on here. Yeah, I mean, I dig it. I was going to take shorts here, you know, at, at this breaker, you know, this bearish breaker. But now, now with a failure to break with the lows, that setup is just not that hot anymore. Also was looking at possible US dollar, Canadian dollar shorts, but yeah, this would be in fact would be a US dollar driven trade. And here's the thing, guys. I am looking for US dollar shorts, actually, right? But where am I going to get those shorts? Well, mates, the actual zone where I'm looking for shorts is here, right here. So I'm waiting for a rally towards the 102.15 on the DXY for me to get involved short on the US dollar, right? What I dig about this is that price broke with the Asian session lows during the London session, which means that today the bias is bearish for the US dollar, right? But of course, I'm not going to get involved at these levels. Of course not, and of course, I'm not going to trade the DXY. Sorry. All right. So what I'm looking for, right, is a pullback towards this level right here, right? Price taking out all of this buy side liquidity, stop losses above the Asian session high, and the market that I would be looking for. Let's have a look. I haven't actually looked at it. The Euro USD looks cool. Actually, the Euro USD looks amazing. We have an inefficiency in the market, that imbalance around the 108.96, which would be in fact a great area to look for longs on this particular market, with stop losses below the structural low, targeting the highs of the move for a 3-hour move, right? This is the first one. The pound USD yields the best risk to reward ratio, in the sense that I would look for entries here. I'm eyeballing these guys. Targeting the highs of the move. These are 5.5 arm, but I don't think that we're going to get that pullback on the pound towards my zone. I'm gonna turn off my camera, guys, just for a second. What the hell, man? I mean, I don't know what the hell is going on. All right. Right. So, on the pound side, I don't think we're going to get here. The euro is the one that I'm looking for. Now, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, remember, I'm looking for shorts on the USD, right? Now, the thing about this market is that it's super choppy, man. It has been super choppy. If I go to a 3-minute chart or so, there's absolutely no setups here, right? Within my entry model, my entry model is quite straightforward, right? I trade the daily bias, looking at how the London session, broke, with the highs or the lows, or the range, etc., or the Asian session range, etc. But in this case, uh, you know, um, the real zone that I will be looking for entries would be around here, right on the USD CAD, and that is outside my normal range, so I am not going to do that. Here's the US dollar, Swiss franc. Same thing, same thing. Price broke with the Asian session lows, um, but I don't trade the Swiss franc, so that's a no-go for me. So look at gold. God damn it! This is going to take a while. The pound is super strong, super strong. So let's look at the US dollar Mexican peso. No go. US dollar. I was looking at possible USD Norwegian krona shorts also, but this is a market that I don't trade. I just have it here to look for possible setups. US dollar, Singapore dollar. This is much. This is a much better possible short setup, right? I would look for entries here at the breaker around the 132.77. This yields a good risk to reward ratio, right? hmm let's see. Yeah, 3.8 risk to reward ratio on this one. But the one, hold on. But the one that I'm really looking for is this Euro USD. So I'm going to place this Euro USD buy limit, right? Let's see. Yeah, very good. So I'm going to place this Euro USD buy limit right now. Where are you? Euro USD. Let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see. Hold on. So let's have a look at what the fuck has happened here. All right. Here's that. All right. Let's do the analysis on this one. Right. You can tell me, guys, what you think about it afterwards. So we have the last people, the lows here. Oh, hold on. I like my lines very straight. Which means, I'm sorry, which means that this is where we saw that changing the character of this market. Now, I dig this. I dig this because we have, we have volatility, in this big ass inefficiency or imbalance, whatever you want to call it. We have liquidity built up here, right? And let's have a look where I should be placing my entry. So I'm going to place my entry right here at the 0996 level, long here, a buy limit. I'm going to place my stop losses below the structured lows. I'm going to target the highs of the move for a 2.96R. Let me just wait and see something here. 3-hour chart. Yeah. Sadly, this is where I have to put my targets. Yeah, this is where I have to put my targets. So not the best risk to reward ratio here, in the sense that, hold on. So it's a 4R actually. I'm going to place buy limits here at the 0890, 0893.5. 0893. 93.5, so around here. I am going to risk 0.25% on this trade. hmm And targeting the highs right here. All right, enter. You can't hear me? Well, I don't know, but I'm sorry. hmm Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'll have everything set up much better. Tomorrow, but I think that we can manage. So Euro USD. Here's that buy limit. I want to send this to my VIPs. Sorry. So it's a Euro USD buy limit. I need to copy and paste this because I know that you guys hate it when I. Oh shit, what happened here? I don't know. Hold on. When I make typos, stop loss. Mm, I think this is a great setup. So it's I don't remember how much was it, 3.4R. Uh, yeah, 4R. I don't care. All right, you know what? I am uh, I am going to look off, and I'll be back for the U.S. Open. I'm gonna try to figure out what's wrong with with the stream, and if you're a VIP, you're going to get you are going to get updates on this position. If you're not, you will not. So I'll see you guys on the London Open.